Top 15 Big Data Engineering Project Ideas. 1. Real-time sentiment analysis. Dashboard. Develop a dashboard that performs real-time sentiment analysis on social media data, providing insights into public opinion and trends for businesses and organizations. 2. Clickstream analysis for e-commerce. Optimization. Create a clickstream analysis pipeline to analyze user behavior on e-commerce platforms, identifying patterns and optimizing website design and product recommendations. 3. Healthcare data integration and analytics platform. Build a platform that integrates and analyzes healthcare data from multiple sources, enabling medical researchers and practitioners to extract insights and improve patient care. 4. Fraud detection system for financial transactions. Design a fraud detection system that uses machine learning algorithms to analyze financial transaction data in real time, identifying suspicious patterns and preventing fraudulent activities. 5. Predictive maintenance for industrial machinery. Develop a predictive maintenance solution for industrial machinery, leveraging machine learning models to analyze sensor data and predict equipment failures before they occur. 6. Geospatial analysis for urban planning. Create a geospatial analysis platform to analyze data from various sources such as satellite imagery and IoT sensors, supporting urban planners in making informed decisions for city development. 7. Personalized content recommendation system. Design a content recommendation system that uses collaborative filtering and natural language processing techniques to deliver personalized recommendations for articles, videos, and products. 8. Energy consumption forecasting for smart grids. Build a forecasting model to predict energy consumption patterns in smart grids, helping utility companies optimize energy distribution and plan for future demand. 9. Supply chain optimization with big data analytics. Develop a supply chain optimization solution that utilizes big data analytics to optimize inventory management, logistics, and procurement processes for businesses. 10. Smart farming with IoT and big data. Create a smart farming system that integrates IoT devices and big data analytics to monitor crop health, soil conditions, and weather patterns, enabling precision agriculture and higher yields. 11. Natural language processing for customer support. Automation. Build a customer support automation system that uses natural language processing to analyze and respond to customer inquiries, improving response times and efficiency. 12. Network traffic analysis for cybersecurity. Design a network traffic analysis platform to detect and prevent cyber threats, leveraging big data techniques to analyze network logs and identify suspicious activities. 13. Digital marketing campaign optimization. Develop a platform for optimizing digital marketing campaigns using big data analytics, allowing marketers to target audiences more effectively and maximize return on investment. 14. Smart city traffic management system. Create a traffic management system for smart cities that uses big data analytics to analyze traffic patterns, optimize traffic signals, and reduce congestion and emissions. 15. Predictive modeling for healthcare diagnostics. Build predictive models for healthcare diagnostics using big data analytics and machine learning, enabling early detection of diseases and personalized treatment recommendations.